Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install an Paleto airport map into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the map which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to scroll down over here. Over here you can see the preview video of the map, and here you can see some preview images of the map. So there are two locations of the map available with this script. First one is in this location and the second one is in this location. So for this video, I'll be going to install the first version of the map. You just need to click over here and download the map. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our file resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the map, go to map folder and open this one. Then open this folder, then copy this folder from here. And we just need to paste it over here, just like this. Now open this folder again, open the mapping folder, then copy this folder from here. Then we just need to paste it over here, just like this. Now we can delete this folder from here. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now. Now let's spawn a car over here. So let's get inside over here. Here you can see there is a board of Welcome to Paleto Bay Airport. So let's get inside over here. And over here you can see this is the Paleto Bay Airport. As you can see over here, we have a helipad over here. And this is the runway of the airport. And this is the hangar of the airport, as you can see. And there are much more things you can see over here. So let's run a plane over here. So this is how the map works. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.